this is a story of a father's painful wait for his son's mortal remains. The man was killed in an encounter. In fact, he was just 16 years old, and the father continues to wait for the body of 16-year-old Akhtar Mushtaq, who died in December. The police had buried his body in Sonmarg. The family claims that Akhtar was killed in a staged encounter.
A painful wait for Mushtaq Ahmed Wani to bury his 16-year-old son in a grave he dug 11 months ago. Akhtar Mushtaq died in a controversial encounter on December 29 last year. But even today, Wani is fighting to get back his body, which the police buried in Sonmarg, over 140 kilometers from his home in Pulwama. A class 11 student, Akhtar was in the middle of his board exams when he, along with two other youths, were killed in an encounter at Lawaipura near Srinagar. The board result shows Akhtar missed the exams of his last paper, as less than 3 hours after he left his home, the boy was killed in the encounter.
उसने 4 पेपर दिए थे 29 दिसंबर तक 29 दिसंबर 2 बजे उसको उठाया गया 3:30 बजे उसको फोन करवाया और उसके बाद हमें पता नहीं है मतलब सुबह के 11 बजे हमें उसकी डेड बॉडी मिलती है पीसीआर बाहर वो सीढ़ी पे रखा था.
The police have issued contradictory statements on the encounter. At first, they said the 3 boys were not listed as terrorists in police records. But 2 days later, the police claimed that all the 3 were terror associates. The families reject the police claims and say their children were killed in a staged encounter. One of 3 killed was the son of a policeman. He too was denied body of his son. Wani's fight for the body of his son has landed him in further trouble. The 42-year-old and 7 other villagers were booked under anti-terror law UAPA for their protests. After the recent controversial encounter at Hyderpura and the families getting the bodies of the 2 businessmen, Wani is hopeful.
न किसी ने इस पे आवाज उठाई. मैं आज भी चिल्ला के कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे भी इंसाफ दे दो. इंसाफ क्या है? बस यही कि मुझे मेरे बच्चे की डेड बॉडी वापस दे दो. हैदरपुरा में कल ऐसे ही वाक़ा हुआ है. उन घर वालों को वो लाशें वापस दे दी गई.
Families not getting bodies of loved one is an unending tragedy in Kashmir. In a neighboring village in Pulwama, the father of an army soldier had to fight a lonely battle for the return of his missing son's body to perform his last rites. Rifleman Shakir Manzoor was abducted and killed by terrorists in Shopian, and it took Manzoor Ahmed Wagay 13 months to get back the body. For the last 2 years, the police have mostly not returned the body of local militants and also those killed in action by security forces.
Return of bodies of 2 businessmen in Srinagar to their families has given a hope to Mushtaq Ahmed Wani in Pulwama, who is waiting for the body of his son for last 11 months. While politicians are saying that denial of bodies to their families is a worst crime against humanity, many believe the current administration is only accentuating a grave issue for future. In Pulwama, Nazir Masoodi, 5 TV.